Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will start Chapter 2, Basic Computer Operation and File Management using Windows as an Operating System. Basic Computer Operation and File Management is how to create your folders, how to create your files, and how to manage them by deleting, renaming, copying some of your folders or files. You cannot do those steps unless you use one of the operating system. In this chapter, we will use Windows as an operating system. The Windows on my computer is Windows 7. I will go through it. Topics to be covered here is how to start with the PC. What do we mean by strong and weak password? The desktop and what might you find on it, startup button and the taskbar. Then we will talk about the window, the title bar, the open, close, restore, and the hierarchical structure of drivers. Then we will talk about folders, files, how you can create them and how you can do the delete, rename, copy, cut operations. Then how you can search a file, compressing and decompressing files and folders, burning a CD or a DVD, adding a printer, add, remove programs, and getting help. We will start first with how to start your PC. Whenever you open your PC, immediately Microsoft Windows will start working. And then it will show you a screen which looks like this one exactly, asks you about your username and password. After entering the username and password, you can, if the Windows will check if the username and password is correct, he will open Windows Desktop. Otherwise, he will give you another try. Now let us talk about the username and password. We do not care a lot about the username, but we care a lot about the password. So we have two types of password. One type we call it strong password, and one type we call it a weak password. A weak password is the password that includes a set of letters or set of numbers which everybody can expect it, almost. Strong password is the password which is a combination between letters, numbers, and symbols, which is it is too much hard to expect it. Now, whenever your username and password is correct, Windows will start working. The first page which you can see when Windows starts is your desktop. This is, for example, is a desktop. Now, I will go through my desktop and I will show you what I have here. Now the picture that you can see, this we call it a background. You can change your background and put another background, another picture, or whatever background is ready by Windows. We have also a set of icons, as you can see on the left hand side. I have here more than one icon. One of them are downloaded through the Windows, and others it's user folder or user application which the user will download when needed. At the bottom we have the taskbar. This is the taskbar. I will start with the taskbar. The taskbar includes, on the right hand side, we have the date and time. We have the sound. You can increase and decrease the sound. We have also the internet connection. And we have some of the programs which is already working or which is there on your computer. We have the language. You can convert it from English to Arabic or from Arabic to English. And if you download some other application, sometimes it comes as a small icons here. On the left hand side also you can see one of the one or more than one icon for some of application which you or Microsoft Windows already installed, and you have one small icon for folders. And if you already opened some of the programs like Adobe Reader or Word or Excel or any other program, and you minimize it, whenever you minimize it, it comes here. For example, I was reading for you this, which is a basic computing skills book. This is a soft copy of it, and then I minimize it. When I minimize it, it comes on the taskbar like that. We have also one important thing, which is the start menu. Now, what do we have on the start menu? Start menu includes a search area like this one. This is a search area which you can type your file name or part of the name to search about. For example, I have a file called assignment. Once I click ASS, it gives me all the document which has ASS on their name. So you can get your file like that, and then you can open it. This is for search. What else we have here? List of programs and applications which is downloaded by you as a user or by the administrator or by Windows itself. All programs shows you other list of programs. For example, in this course we will need from accessories folder 2 programs, Notepad and Paint. And also we will work with Microsoft Office, 3 programs, Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Now this is the list of programs. Let us go to the right side of the start menu. We have the shutdown menu. You can use the shutdown menu to shut down or restart your computer. Shutdown will close the computer completely. Restart will close the computer and then open it again. We have a switch user if you want to go out of your account. Log off also goes out of the account, but log off goes only out of your account. Switch user will go out of your account and enables you to switch with another or new user. We have also here some folders which is already created by Microsoft Windows, just like document, pictures, music. If you want to save your documents, you can save it inside this folder, pictures inside this one, and you have also a folder for music. We have also here computer. What do we mean by computer? Let us open it, click on it. Whenever you click on an option or a program or a file or a folder, Windows will open it by a window. So this is a window. What do we have in the window? On the right hand side we have a button for close, a button for maximize, and a button for minimize. If we go down here, we have a box for search area if you want to do search for a specific file or a folder. Here we have a path which shows you what you are opening, what is this window about. If we go down, we have here a list, main menu list, file, edit, view, tools, help. And then on the left hand side we have a navigator which enables you to open desktop or music or picture or video folders easily. So to easy access them, we have here this navigator. And then we have the area which shows you the content of the folder you opened. We opened the computer, so this is the content of the computer. We have here the hard disk drive and the device with removable storage. On my computer I have the hard disk drive called D, and if you want to see the content of the hard disk drive, you will easily double click on it. So this is the content of the hard disk drive D. Back brings me to the previous window. We have as removable storage a DVD drive. This DVD drive is now empty. We don't have any CD inside. If you connect any flash on your computer, the flash will be also available here, or any external hard disk also will be shown in removable storage. This is the computer. I will go back to Start menu to continue. We have also here Control Panel. Through Control Panel, you can change some of Windows settings. Like, for example, you can add a new account or change your account username and password. You can change the appearance. You can change system security. You can change the language and the clock. You can add, remove hardware, and you can also add, remove programs. If you have a program and you wanna remove it, you will go through uninstall a program, and then you will select your program, for example Adobe Flash Player, right mouse click on it, and then uninstall. Uninstall will remove completely this program. We have also get program. If you have a program and you want to install it, then you will put the CD, required CD, inside the CD drive, and then get the program through the installation steps. This is what do we have in Control Panel. We have also devices and printers. In devices and printers, you can here add a new device or add a new printer, or you can go and change some of the setting of your other device. Now, if you want to add a new printer, for example, you will first need to connect the printer on your computer from the required port, and then press on Add a Printer. If your printer is a local printer, you want to use it for only your computer, then you will click on Add a Local Printer. If the printer is a network printer, that means you will use it for more than one computer, then you will use Add a Network Printer. If you select Add a Local Printer, for example, you need to specify which port you already connected the printer to, and then you need to specify the type of your printer. If it is Canon, so which printer, if the manufacturer was Canon, so you need to determine which printer. If the printer type is not here, then at that time you need to select Have a Disk, and then you will browse and select from the desktop your CD computer, and then your CD if you have a CD for that, and then you will click on Open. Now I don't have a CD for installation, so that's why I will go through Cancel, and after that you will go through Next in order to install a new printer. Now coming to a help, when we need a help. Whenever you have a specific question about Windows, say for example you don't know how to change the background color, you don't know how to create a screensaver, you don't know how to install a specific device, then you will click on Help and Support, and you can type your question here. Help will give you more than one answer for your question, and you can read them and go through them. This is whatever we have in the Start menu, and you will need it in this course. Now, let us come to the list of icons. For one of the icons that all of us have it on our computer is the Recycle bin. Recycle bin is the place which whenever we delete our files, it will be here. Now say for example I have this file assignment and I want to delete this file, So to delete a file, I will right mouse click and then select delete. The Windows will ask me, are you sure you want to move this file to recycle bin? I will say yes. Now, where is the file? The file inside the recycle bin. In order to check it, if you want to check it, you will right mouse click on recycle bin and then select open. Then you will see that your file that you already deleted is there. If you want to restore it, return it back to its place, then you will right mouse click on it and then select restore. Now the file is on your desktop. You return the file to its original place. If you want to delete everything from the recycle bin, then you will select empty recycle bin. Are you sure you want to permanently delete 14 items? Yes. Other icons are applications or programs like Adobe Reader, like FLV Player, Mozilla Firefox, Real Play. All of those are programs installed by the user. You can also create or install your own programs and or create your own folders and files. Now, this is in general a quick overview on the Windows environment.